train is moving towards a stationary object. Of course, here the track would be, maybe like after some time the track may be turning. But as of now, this is the stationary object and the train is moving towards it. Okay. So the train velocity is 220 meters per second. And it is emitting a frequency of 1000 hertz. So the sound is having frequency 1000 hertz. So now, what is the frequency which will be received by the stationary object? Okay, so the frequency which will be received here is going to be f1, which is so we will use the formula f dash is equal to v divided by v minus velocity of source. V is the velocity of sound into the frequency which is emitted. Why we have done negative? Because the source is approaching the observer, that's why. So therefore we have f1 is equal to 300 by 30 divided by 330 minus 220 into 1000 hertz. So this will be 330 divided by 110 into 1000, which is simply 3000 hertz. So 3000 hertz will be received, and the same 3000 hertz will be reflected also. Okay, so now since it is being reflected, the stationary object, which is a tree here, it will start acting as a source. Okay, and the driver here, he will be, now the driver will be observer. So now the frequency which will be heard by the observer, that would be f2. So we'll use this formula, f dash is equal to v plus vo divided by v into the frequency which is emitted. So since the observer is moving towards the source and this stationary object is acting as a source, so therefore f2 will be v, which is 330 plus 220 divided by 330 into 3000 hertz. Okay, so this is 550. So 550 divided by 330, this is 3 upon 5. So this is 1000. So 1000 into 5, this becomes 5000 hertz. Okay, so therefore the answer is going to be C. So I'll just summarize. First, what we considered was the train is the source and the tree is the observer, and the source is moving towards the observer. In second case, in case of, because now it is being reflected from the tree acts as source and the train's driver acts as observer. Okay, so therefore and this observer is moving with a velocity of 220 meter per second. In this case, the source was moving with a velocity of 220 meter per second. Okay. Thank you.